So what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Trap, and we back with another video. Today we got another mod. We're working on the Chrysler 300 today. Got something that's gonna be setting it off. You know what we do, Ohio gang. Just wait, we got something going on for this one too. We're gonna totally trick this out, flip it out, make it look totally different. But back to the 300. That's what we're working on today. We already started, so we'll give you a little quick snippet of what we're doing. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Snow bunny. It's about to be crazy. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got one side done. To peel off this plastic covering right here. Sometimes you get little pieces stuck on there, you gotta peel them off too. Kinda hard to get this with them gloves on. Come help me out, take this glove off of me, please. Thanks.
Let me help you get that off.
Got that bot boy down there, trying to do that side. He probably gonna peel the whole lettering off down there.
Let me help you.
Huh?
I got nails.
Oh, I got it.
I don't know if I just want to do it.
But if you're thinking about doing something like this, just make sure you take your time to do it right. I've seen a lot of videos of people doing this and they say that their letters fall off like within a few hours. That's all because they ain't doing them right. You can see on these tires over here is my original on my these tire letterings. It's been through hell, you can see. Some boys is still on there. Over 15,000 miles on these things. Still on there. So it's worth it. Changes the whole look of your car. If you're thinking about it, do it. It's worth it. We got this one finished. 300 is called the Snow Bunny. Talon_Parker Instagram. That's this spot right here. We about to flip the car around and do the other side. Where's that thing at?
What?
This side ain't done yet. We're about to flip it around and do this side. About to start on this side. Got the first letters glued up, ready to stick them on there. If you guys are doing this, and you got a black friend, a black girl that you know, have her come do it. She'd probably be good at it. Cause you gotta treat it like their hair. You gotta glue them edges down. It's very important to get them edges. Here we go. Alright guys, we finally got the car done. Gotta go through and peel the plastic off of the lettering. Kinda satisfying.
Bro. My phone is messing up. Oh, I'm kidding you.
Does Mara stay with Miranda?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. So okay or something.
There you go.
Oh my god,
All
you guys
done.
want to see the cutest thing ever? Look at the youngins. Look how young they were.
Alright, here's the front. There's the back. Around to this side. Looking all fresh. My phone just died. Had to grab my girl's phone. Anyways, like I said, if y'all thinking about doing this, go ahead and do it and set your car completely off. It's crazy how much of a difference it makes. I'll put some before and after shots in there. Y'all can check it out, but just look at this thing. Crazy. You best believe we're gonna get them rolling shots too. Ohio gang. Yeah, we about to get this one cleaned up, get the murder horn cleaned up, go out, get some rolling shots. Oh yeah. And if you're gonna do something like this, the last step, very important step, is to go around the edges of these lettering, and you gotta put that glue on the edges. Have to. It's very important. Just show y'all real quick. Take that glue, put it right around the edge of that, seal that thing in there. Gotta do it for all the letters. I know it's a pain, it's gonna take a lot of time, but it's very important that you do that so your tire lettering don't come off later on and it lasts forever. But like I said, we're about to get these things cleaned up. Be right back with y'all in a minute. Thank y'all for tuning in for another video. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what y'all think about the 300.